guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna take apart the 4481. It's on a Cadillac Escalade from 2003 to 2006. Suburban and Yukon Denali GMC. Very simple transfer case, guys. This one is very simple. It only has one planet inside, one chain, two sprockets, and no snap rings at all. Just one snap ring on the output shaft. That's all. I'm going to show you how to take it apart. So we're going to take out the drain plug and the fuel plug, okay? That's the first thing we're going to do. So fuel plug off, drain plug off. All right. So what's the next thing we do? Yeah, speed sensor. On this one, I don't take out the rear seal because it's easier to take it out after you take out the shaft. I'll show you how right now. Give me just a minute. So next, speed sensor, 19 mil out. Speed sensor. All right. The next thing we do, take out all the bolts around the case, top and bottom. That's pretty much it. Really nothing else inside. I'll show you. Very simple transfer case. All right, all the bolts off. Crack it open. There. Very simple transfer case, guys. Don't be afraid to get your hands on this transfer case. Well, this transfer case is a 4481, and the code on this one from the dealership, it would be NR3. Okay, all-wheel drive. All right. So once you take out the bolts, pull out the rear case off, and you're gonna have that snap ring right there. I'll show you how to take it out right now. Let's put it right here. And here it is, 4481. 4481. This is how the transfer case looks from the inside. What do you fix on this transfer case, guys? Bearings, seals, chains, and sprocket. As you can see, there's no snap rings anywhere. Well, you take out the planet. There's a gear on top, which is really bad because you can see this is what the problem was. The gear's all chewed up, it's all beat up. No more teeth on it. Gone. All right, so there's the problem on this transfer case. We found it. There's another gear on the bottom. This one looks good. We'll inspect it later. There's a washer right here on the top. Okay. And this planet is definitely no good. It's all loose. As you can see, it moves up and down. So no good. Right now I'm showing you how to take it apart. No snapping, just pull out the sprockets. There's bushing and there's a spacer that goes on top of the shaft right before the driver sprocket. There's a bushing here that I'm sure is bad. I don't know yet. I'll check. There's no snap rings on the bearings. No snap rings and no snap rings over here. So how do you take it out? Just pull it out. Pull out the main shaft. That's the main shaft. And this one is pretty much the same process as the other ones. It's got a double seal as well. So it's under pressure by the inner seal. So just press it down, tap it down with the mallet. It'll come out. Got it. All right. So this is the front output shaft. And what do we have left on this transfer case? We have the front output bearing and the input bearing without snap rings. Okay, so what do? How do you take them out? I'll show you. Push out the input snap ring. Put the screwdriver right here. Just tap it out. There, out. Same thing over here. Be careful not to damage the case. There, out. Look, flip it over. No damage on the case. That's why you have to be careful. There's no damage on the case. That's why you have to hit the seal right in the center so you don't damage the case. Because if you do damage, you're probably gonna have some leaking on it. Just be careful when you take out the seals, not to damage the case. And how do you take out the bearings? Bearings are very simple to take out. Just tap it down. Kind of like a cross. Tap it down here, here, here. It's not too hard. Just slow. There, it's out. No snap rings. No need to worry about snap rings on this transfer case. They're just under pressure. You don't need press or anything. Just tap them down. All right. So we continue with inspecting the case here. There's really nothing else left. Everything is out. This is what's inside this 4481 transfer case. So we're gonna put this case aside since there's nothing left in here. There's no ring gear, nothing. There's really nothing inside. I'll show you what we took out right now. But before, I want to show you how to take out the output shaft. There's only one snap ring in the whole transfer case, and all you need is snap ring pliers. So snap ring pliers, you have to be able to open this snap ring pliers maybe about 2 inches or maybe about 1.5 inches. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to open it completely. So you open it, hold it open, flip over the case, grab the case, and just tap it down. There you go. That's how you take it out. It's already out. Flip over the case again. Just tap, and then you tap the shaft down. It's already off the bearing. There you go. That's how you take it out. See, output shaft, it's out. So, what else do you have to take out on this? You don't really have to take out this snap ring right here, but you can pull it out with your hand if you want. No big deal. There. And how do you take out the seal? This seal is under pressure, but not too much pressure on it. You can just literally put your screwdriver right here and lift it up. Just make sure you don't push it all the way in, because you're gonna scrape the case maybe like halfway, and then just lift it up. There you go. Just be careful because it's gonna fly out. All right, so the seal is out, and as you can see right here, look, check it out. I'll show you. After you take out the seal, you make sure you didn't damage the case, so you don't see no scrapes at all with the when taking out the seal. Make sure the case is still in great shape. So right now we already took everything out from the front and the rear case. This is what I took out of the 4481 transfer case. What's in here? Planet. This is the top gear with the washer. And then we have the bottom gear, no washer in between. We have the seal. We have the output shaft, front output bearing, input bearing, no snap rings. This is the input seal, and the front output seal, double seal. Everything is out. The snap ring for the case for the Apple shaft bearing is out. Drive sprocket is out. Driven sprocket is out. Chain is out. And the spacer, the main shaft spacer is out. Main shaft, input shaft is out. Front Apple shaft is out. And we have the speed sensor out. Drain plug out. Field plug out. And then we have all the bolts here. These are 40T socket. We take them out. And that's it. This is what's inside the 4481 transfer case. I'll show you on the next video how to inspect it and what to look for when you take it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Any comments down below, let me know. Thank you. I got oil on my face. Thank you guys for watching.
Okay, now do it like I'm not holding a gun to your head.